Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video this morning because there's a new promotion starting from November 4th through November 30th. I just found out about it, super excited. It is a join promotion, but it is probably the least expensive join deal I've seen in my 15 years as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Right now, well, Thursday, through the end of the month, when you join Stampin' Up!, the starter kit is now only $75. It is the same starter kit, so you still get to choose $125 worth of products, any $125 worth of products in our lineup, but you only pay $75, and it ships for free. You're also going to get a few business supplies in there like catalogs and order forms in case you want to sell to friends and family, but there are no obligations past that initial starter kit. But you get to test drive the whole demonstratorship thing till the end of your first full quarter. That means that you can stay an active status demonstrator through, let's see, we are in November, December, January is this quarter, so February, March, April. Through the end of April, you will be considered an active demonstrator with full access to the demonstrator website, discount, demonstrator discount, all of that through the end of your first full quarter. So you can try it out, see if it's right for you. If you've done it in the past, maybe you used to be a demonstrator and things get busy, life got busy, you ran out of things that you needed, try it again. There's always new things, there's always new products, and right around the corner is the spring mini catalog. So you'll be active during that time if you join during this promotion, because you're going to be active through April, so then you'll still have access to that spring mini catalog, which comes out in January. So think about joining now. Ask any questions from now until the end of the month if you want to ask them the next couple days. That way you're ready to make that starter kit purchase on Thursday. I'm happy to answer them. So again, let me recap. The starter deal is $75. You get to choose any Stampin' Up! Products from up to $125, but only pay $75. You can get you can get a ton of stamps, or you can get ink pads, whatever thing you're missing from your crafty kit at home. If you're brand new to stamping, get things like the paper trimmer and some ink pads. If you're an old timer like me, get the new stamp cut and emboss machine or some fun new tools. Whatever you need. They're going to ship that to you for free. There is tax, but no shipping. And you're also going to get some business supplies if you want to sell to friends and family. No obligations past the starter kit, so you don't have to make any purchases if you don't want to, but you will be given active demonstrator status through the end of your first quarter, so you can kind of see behind the scenes. Check out the demonstrator website. Check out my team page. I have a team page for my team where I have meetings and answer questions, and people can post. So you can be part of that community. There's a lot of different online communities. There's a demonstrator planning community. There's a paper pumpkin community. There's all kinds of them. So you can join all of those and have active status in all of that and try it out. See if it's right for you. And again, if you've tried in the past and life got busy, try it again. And feel free to ask me any questions that you may have. I hope that you'll try it out. It's called the Start with Savings Join Promotion. So you're starting out with some great savings, and it is a good promotion, I have to say. Starter kit is normally $99, so this is $75 for any $125 worth of product. Seriously a great deal, no obligations, can't get hurt by this one, and feel free to ask me any questions that you may have. I am happy to answer it, email or telephone. Thanks for watching. Bye.